Ummi, please, can I bake? Ummi, please, can I bake? Can I please bake? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm back in Marwah's kitchen. Now we're going to show you how to make high heel shoe cupcakes. So step 1, we're going to show you how to make the cupcakes. And then step 2, we're going to show you how to make the decorations. Inshallah. Today we're going to learn how to make a cake from a cake box. Look, it's a Swiss chocolate cake. Using a cake box helps you to make a cake if you're in a rush to make a cake. And it's really easy for kids to do. On the back of the box, it tells you what you need. For this cake mix, you need oil, water, 3 eggs, and that's it. Wait, hold on a minute. It's a Marwah's Kitchen Science moment. Here you have water and oil inside, and the oil and water are not mixing up. But why? Because the water is heavier than the oil. So you're gonna need cupcake trays and also cupcake liners. So we have the polka dots, we have golden, and we have rainbow. Whatever liner you choose, your shoe is gonna be perfect. That's what your shoe is gonna look like. So choose pretty ones. I chose these ones. So usually we put baking soda and baking powder and flour and sugar and baking soda. But when you use the cake mix, it's already in the bag. Now I'm gonna dump it in the bowl. See how easy that was? Now you have to add all the ingredients and mix it up. So put this down and mix it really slowly so that all the flour doesn't spill. Stop the mixer one time so that you can scrape the bowl. I'm going to lift it up. Oh. Line our cupcake trays with liners. So now we're done. One cake box makes 24 cupcakes. So use the ice cream scoop to dip it inside the batter and then put it inside the cupcake liners. Make sure you scrape it on the side of the bowl so that it doesn't drip and make a huge big mess. See, like this. And then put it in. Now we're going to put these in the oven. Look, our delicious cupcakes came out of the oven. And now we're going to show you how to make an easy buttercream. Here are the ingredients that you need. You need soft butter, milk, vanilla, and icing sugar. Let's get started. So first you put the butter in. Get on high speed for 5 minutes. While the butter is mixing, you can sift the icing sugar. That's the last bit. Whoa. Now add the vanilla to the butter. Now mix it again for just a few seconds. So you put this inside, put this inside and then put it inside here and then mix it. Keep adding a little bit of icing sugar at a time. And keep mixing it until you get icing. If it starts to get too thick, then you can that time you can add the milk. And just keep going. Oh. Now the icing is ready. We're gonna make it into different colors after. And it looked like that snowed in here, but we didn't use all the milk, so I can drink it. Maybe I should taste some of the icing too. Whoa. Yummy. Alhamdulillah. Do you know the dua for milk? We say Bismillah. When we finish drinking milk, we say Alhamdulillah. Allahumma barik lana fihi wa zidna minhu. Da